Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam, welcome to the channel y'all, yakshimash, good day and howdy y'all. So I am back today and we're going to be doing a refurb on this red Electrolux twin turbo. So this one needs a complete clean up. So the inside of it is in really good condition. It's nice and clean, so I'm not going to have to do a complete strip down on it. It's just going to be the standard basic sort of like the head strip downs on it that I've been doing for the past couple of episodes. So I normally have what I'd call a scheduled list of videos, which are all normally up to about a month up in advance, but I'm actually making this video today and putting it out today on the same day because I have a couple of washing machine videos scheduled to go, but I don't have many vacuum videos ready to go. Now, with everything that's been going on over the past couple of weeks and the difficult times that we will have going further into the next couple of months possibly, I will be putting up content as much as I possibly can, so please bear with me, but the schedule is a bit out the window at the moment because it's still not warm enough for me to, or sunny enough outside for me to do a lot of the retrobrighting videos that I have to do this year. Obviously going to pick up vacuums and stuff like that is just not going to happen for now. So there was a planned visit from Phil from Service Slimline. He was going to be coming up for a week and we had a load of washing machine videos and vacuum videos, collaborations with him, but unfortunately everything has had to be cancelled for now. So that's taken out a big chunk because those were the videos that we were going to be doing together. So it's just a bit crazy at the minute. So the reason why I'm saying all this at the beginning of the video is because it's really important now for other content creators like myself and lots of other people who do this unusual, strange hobby to kind of like take everyone's mind off it, not just you guys, but also for myself as well, because you guys know that I have anxiety and some mental health issues, which I take medication for. And so it's important for me to try and make up a schedule and a routine every day for what I'm going to be doing and making, it's more important now than ever to try and just take your mind off everything that's going on and just escape into a little world for, an hour, 50 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever, how long the videos are, just to give your mental state, your mind, a little bit of escapism. So for example, I've made a list here of my escapism videos, which is Big Car, Little Car, Rusty Skull, Vac Club, Performance Reviews, Service Slimline, Bournemouth Jet Washing, Furious Driving, Becco 1987, The Laundry Centre, Hubnut, Food Wishes, Pneumatic 10, Pneumatic Rule 29, Tech Moan, How Ridiculous, Jeffree Star, Kirby Enthusiast, AEG123, Nikki Tutorials, Vacuum Wars, and Silly Sid 123. Just a little list of the many channels that I, actually today is the 23rd of March, so a little list of videos that I subscribe to and I watch for me to have a little bit of escapism as well throughout the day. So I'm going to crack on with the video, and I just want to wish everybody the best of health, to stay safe and to follow the regulations that we've all been given. And my heart goes out to everybody that watches this. It's really hard to do this, but just to kind of like just stay calm, keep busy doing stuff, and just take care. And please just take care. All right, so there we go. That's all the morbidness over and done with. let's crack on with this absolutely gorgeous burgundy red Electrolux twin turbo. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is plug it in for you guys so we can hear how the motor sounds. And it sounds very good. If I take this off, I have the bag here. So I have used this because there is some dirt inside the bag. But yeah, so I'm going to put this bag back on because there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. It's one of those SIBO bags. It hasn't, fake SIBO bags. It hasn't come off. And it's still got absolutely stacks of room in it. So I'm not going to chuck it away. Right, so the inside of it, if you guys can see, is actually very clean. Now I'm sure that I cleaned all the inside of this. I did think that it was manky inside, but it's not. It's actually very clean on the inside. So thankfully, I'm not going to have to strip it apart completely in order to do the refurb on this. So this is just going to be a quicker refurb. So let's get cracking. So that really did not take long to do, to take it apart. It is very clean on the inside, so it does look like it's been refurbed in the past, because even inside there is pretty clean. So this looks like it's been cleaned up at some point. The motor again is very clean itself. There is some added tape, padded tape onto here to help give it a little bit more cushioning. So that's very good. I did clean out the bearing, the grease that was on the top of that, and I've put some of my Singer oil in it. So I'm just going to leave that for a while to soak through. And also I tried to get it down to the other bearing as well to see if that will give it a little bit more lubrication. But all in all, it's in very good condition. Really good. I have noticed some changes. This is a later version. This part here is a different colored plastic. It's almost transparent. I can see the wind vanes inside there, because this is a dual fan, 2 fans spinning, so you get double the power. So these clean air machines are very good. I do like them, and yeah, it's in good condition. So the next thing I have to do now is just go and wash all this. So I'm going to wash all this and come back to you when I've done that. So there we go, guys. That is all the parts now washed and clean, dried, and looking much better. Even though they weren't in that bad a condition, they still look, they do look lovely, you know. So I noticed the change to this, to this part here, this tube. Instead of it a separate piece clipping in connected to the hose, there's actually kind of like a tube that connects onto. So they have made some changes to this. The height adjuster on it is fantastic, because that's something I do feel that was missing from the earlier ones. And of course they've changed the design of the hood, but still lovely, strong, sturdy plastic on it. The pedals have changed a little bit as well. They're a lot more meatier. Nice thick plastic on them as well. So it's pretty good quality made. I really do like these machines. So I have 3 of this type. One that you've already seen, the grey one. this burgundy one, and I have another one which is white, but that has really faded. So I'm going to do some retro brighting on that in the summer when it gets a little bit warmer. But yeah, I think there's a couple more of these Electroluxes that I want to get done now that don't need anything apart from this kind of cleanup and strip down and take a look at. But yeah, it's looking good. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching, guys. This is the end of part 1, so join me in the next episode for part 2, where we put this beast back together and give it a polish, and then we will do a house demo with it. But yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Please stay safe, please take care, and I wish you all the best, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye, y'all.